How to edit vlog style videos in Reelshot. Want to create engaging vlogs? Here's how to edit vlog style videos in Reelshot. First, import your clips and arrange them in the timeline. Trim clips to remove mistakes or long pauses for a smooth flow. Add text overlays for titles, locations, or commentary. Use transitions like cuts or fades between scenes to keep viewers interested. Include background music to set the mood and lower volume during speech. Add quick animations or effects to emphasize key moments. Have you tried making vlogs? Share your editing tips in the comments below. Keep vlogs natural and energetic to connect with your audience. And that's how you can edit vlog style videos in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.